and I'm like in my lightest shade of clothes.
โอ้ไปอ่ะก็ไม่ดีแล้วสวยแม่
ถูกแอบแอบทันแอบแอบ
I'm walking to the park connector now, and frankly speaking, I don't want to go for a run because I only had about 4 hours of sleep and it was really bad sleep. But I gotta do what I gotta do. I promised myself that I will make a change before I leave Singapore. So yeah, even if it's a bad run, at least I ran. I missed the sunrise though. I had to walk my dog, and then by the time I got out, the sun has already rose. RIP English. Yeah, sunrise. One thing I really don't like about running here is the smell of decomposing leaves. Taking a short walk because I'm about to so yeah, just maybe about 15 more seconds. I'm done and I'm walking back now. I took a different route today just to keep things fresh, and there were a few times that I actually stopped, but it's okay. My heart rate was really very high and I was really on the verge of puking, so it's okay. I forgive myself. We did it. I'm home from my run and this is my idea of a girl breakfast. I've got this 100 plus that I wanted to try previously. I usually get the plain one, but this is the peach flavor. It really just tastes like peach sparkling water. It doesn't really taste much like 100 plus, which I don't like because I really like the taste of 100 plus. And then I've got this chobani. I found this in FairPrice Finest. So the regular FairPrice doesn't have it, it's the high protein one. There are many flavors. I think there are 6, I got all of them. And this is the Greek yogurt with passion fruit and I think is pineapple. Yeah, but they call it tropical. I think there's mango as well. So yeah. I'm in my closet right now and I honestly don't know what to wear today. I've got a gig at 3 p.m. today, so I have to wear something that's appropriate for it lah. But I don't know why when I'm in Thailand my closet is a lot smaller, but it feels like I've got so many more things to wear. But when I'm back at home and I've got my full closet, I am just lost. I don't know what to do. Okay, for sure I'm gonna wear jeans, so we're just gonna pick up my top. Okay, it has been decided. It's so fast, but I just got this black top and denim. I think you can never go wrong with black and denim, so that's what I'm gonna go for. This is like deja vu. Okay, let's get there. If nobody's there yet, then I'll probably visit my old workplace. My colleagues are all still there, by the way. It's been 5 years. But yeah, let's go. Did you guys go?
We went for the Euro.
Oh, it's like the chopstick as well, right? Yeah. I look so tired.
I'm gonna take one ice cream, which is
Just that. Can I take the Asahi?
big.
So cute. Truffle so many.
Sorry, what I was thinking about your boss. You use it to record all your Muay Thai everything.
Only recently. So it's time for breakfast, and I usually don't eat breakfast, but lately I've been really hungry in the morning, so I'm just gonna cook myself something. I remember that there's shiitake mushroom in the fridge, so we're probably gonna do something with eggs and mushroom. So we're doing 7, maybe 8 minutes. So the eggs are done. I put them into like an ice bath so that it's easier to peel later on and it doesn't cook in its own heat. And then now we're gonna stir fry the shiitake mushrooms. I'm preparing to go for a bar with Xuanyun, and we're in our soft girl era because we're like Muay Thai girlies, and people always say that we're very tomboyish. So I want to do something more feminine, and I'm like in my lightest shade of clothes that I can find, because I don't know, Pilates girlies are always in like pink or like beige or whatever, right? So but it feels very uncomfortable. Not that the clothes are uncomfortable, but I just don't like to be in light colors. So I think I'm gonna change out to black, and yeah, I'll see you guys after I change. Okay, I'm back in black. This feels more natural for me because I don't know, I just like being in black. I feel like a lot more comfortable, and yeah, I guess this is gonna be my outfit. Unfortunately, I saw the time wrongly and I came late. But Xuanyun managed to make it, so she just ended class. No, he leaving already.
Father is looking another side, he camera shy. It's such a soft girl activity. Which wabi-sabi drink matches your vibe today? You asking me or asking you
Anything eh?
As in like your travel vlogs and your talking about like interesting stuff.
Really?
Yeah, it's very nice. It's not that ugly lah, it's a baby.
All the same. It's all this one. Why is it all this one? Oh my god, it's like the ugliest I've ever seen in my life.
She's not pleased.
Okay, like, I thought you ugly
蛮 cute 的啦。
还好啦 but like
They keep coming out with this series I got all the animals
Really?
I got the dragon.
So I'm walking to the gym right now, and usually I've got my braids on, but today I'm in a hurry, so I don't have it on. Yeah, just gonna rush because I don't want to be late. I want to get my skipping in. If not, when I'm not warmed up, I just can't perform. So let's go.
Ready? Straight like that. I mean, later for you
So today she's gonna have dried food and an egg. But before that, we're going out for a walk. Okay. We'll go out for the walk, okay? Where's your harness? Where's your harness? Come. So thankfully I brought her down just now because the moment we got up, it started pouring. It's crazy. So I mixed up her food. So this is her dry food, which is soaked for easier chewing, and then some eggs. And then this is her joint care supplement I get from Taki Pets. Not sponsored by the way, but I feel like the... Okay, wait. I feel like it being in sachets like this makes it so much easier because her previous supplements were liquid and you know you had to measure it, then you have to wash the spoon, and it's just like a bit more of a hassle. So I feel like these work a lot better, and these smell so good, and these are all natural ingredients by the way. So dinner is really simple. I air fried some prawn paste in seaweed. Let me show you guys. Then I've got 2 boiled eggs here, and then instant noodles because it was pouring so crazily. I just didn't feel like going out to buy groceries, and there's really not much at home, so instant noodles. This is my lazy day meal. Ooh. I put some corn as well for the nutrition factor. I'm now gonna head out for breakfast, and I'm gonna go for Muay Thai at another gym today. So this is what I'm wearing. Yeah, this one's my favorite actually. This and the tank top are my favorites, and then pants I'm wearing Panther Fight Wear. So I've got some time before class, and I'm having breakfast. I usually have the kaya toast, but today I'm feeling something more savory, so I got the cheesy ham and egg toast. It's like egg overkill lah, because it comes with soft boiled eggs as well. So these are my grocery loots, and I've got frozen minced pork. This is gonna be my dog's dinner, so I will be cooking this for her. And then I've got some asparagus, chicken breast, frozen shrimp wontons, ก๋วยเตี๋ยว แล้วก็นี่ oyster oyster. I thought that this was really interesting, even though I still have oyster sauce at home. This is like the squeezy bottle, which I find very helpful because currently the oyster sauce I have is like the ones that you open and then you pour it out, and sometimes you pour too much. So I feel like being able to squeeze it helps to control it. This is from Le Cam Gay. I've not tried the oyster sauce from Le Cam Gay, or have I? I don't remember what oyster sauce I used to use like before this brand, but I use Le Cam Gay soy sauce, so I guess the oyster sauce should be fine. Yeah. I'm just done with laundry and it's pouring. I initially wanted to shower, go out and have a nice meal, do some work, but since it's raining, I'll just stay at home. I'm gonna cook breakfast for myself. This is frozen rice cakes. Or is it just regular rice cakes? I don't know, but this is like the flatter version, like the Chinese version. And I've got some sauce that I made myself. This is with gochujang, chili flakes, some honey, and soy sauce. And then I've got some leftover frozen beef slices. So this will go in as well, just to make it a more filling meal. I'm done, and this is my sliced beef tteokbokki. I garnished it with a little bit of spring onions. Oh, looks so good. I don't think I can do this anymore. I'll still finish the entire route, but I just walk. It's so hard.
I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty. Somebody gonna match my freak.